Paul. Yeah. Mhm. School districts have a responsibility to ensure that they do not use practices that result in discrimination. Now, if ability grouping results in classes with substantially disproportionate enrollment of students, yeah, based on age, sex, race, national origin, or disability, the school districts must demonstrate that there's a valid educational justification for their ability grouping practices. Yeah, my son is 17 today. Oh, he's a sophomore in high school. I think it does violate the grouping practices of the Quilcene High School to group my sons in classes where they should be 2 grades ahead of where they're at right now. Now, I'm wanting to sue you. See, I put sign here. Yes, that means there's going to be a lawsuit that's going to involve every civil rights coordinator of the United States of America. Okay? Do you fucking understand what you're doing? Now, I put the witness stamp right there. Witness this, okay? And then there's my signature. Ooh, that means I'm going to sign a large number of lawsuits where you can witness that I emailed 180 civil rights coordinators that my sons are being grouped with students that are 2 years younger than themselves. Yes, they are. That happens to violate the Civil Rights Manual of Washington State. Now, I don't know why it is that you have such a difficult time because I even put this right here. My sons are graduating at 19 and a half years old because of discrimination. I want the laws enforced today. Now, for those in the sheriff's departments that thought that they didn't have to remove the protection order, yeah, you're wrong. For those that thought we don't have to remove the dissolution of marriage, you are wrong. Now, it looks to me, okay, here's a link to the Civil Rights Manual of Washington State's civil rights coordinators that are obligated, yeah, to enforce the civil rights of students. I put this in the email. Oh, the fraud of issuing court orders without any due process to myself or my sons. Yes, since July 8th of 2011. Without the penalty of perjury. And look at this is the penalty of perjury, Brett Roberts. Yes. This is what it says. I declare under the penalty of perjury right now, under the laws of the state of Washington, that the foregoing is true and correct to the best of my knowledge and belief. Now you'll notice, yes, there is no penalty of perjury to the protected person. There is no signature of Heidi Lee Budnick. There is no penalty of perjury to Heidi Lee Budnick as a petitioner. Yes, because she never acknowledged receipt of the copy of this order right now. Then there's the forgery. There can be no penalty of perjury, yes, to any employee of any government of the United States that they believe, yes, that the foregoing is true and correct to the best of my knowledge and belief when it's not their actual signature. Now, for the sheriff's department right now, okay, I said you're going to get sued. Do you understand? Uh, there is no penalty of perjury when you use forgeries to issue protection orders. Now, maybe Mr. Roberts, deputy prosecuting attorney for Jefferson County, Coach, realizes that when he said he got an email from myself, wasn't numerous recipients. I gave you a folder full of approximately 20 emails that had 2,000 email addresses. Now, what idiot fuck right now, okay, thinks that I'm not going to sue as a father of 5 sons, yes, for the violating of the WACs and the RCWs. Now, I put a little verified right here. Prohibits discrimination against students and employees of Washington Public Schools in grades K through 12 on the basis of sex. Yes. Now, let's say my sons were girls instead of boys. They probably wouldn't be that valuable to the football team. Well, it's verified that they are actual males instead of females. Yes, that's right. Now, if I looked at the athletic departments of each and every school,